Hi guys! Welcome back! For today's video, naka-shades kami. Bakit? We're going to Tagaytay! So, it's 10 AM and ayaw naming makipagsabayan sa lunch crowd kaya nag-early lunch na kami sa mushroom burger. Ayan si Isabella, binabasa niya ang iba't ibang klase ng mushrooms. Siyempre, picture-picture ang magpipinsan. Ito nga pala yung mga products na mabibili sa mushroom burger. Ang dami. At eto naman yung kanilang menu. Baka gusto nyong i-check next time. Kumain na kami, of course, mushroom burger, pansit at fries, pero hindi yan basta-basta fries ha, mushroom fries yan. Sa gilid ng resto, may playground, kaya naglaro muna ang mga bagets.
So heavy. Come on, what's inside here? Hey guys! Everybody here is their flag.
Let's go na dito na. Andyan na? Let's eat na, Kit. It's dirty ata, Kit. Nilakad, hindi na nag-isla. Let's go na, baby! Kit, your turn.
I want all of the coins. I wish I'm gonna have a Bugatti.
Keldy, what's your wish?
That's so fun. Daddy, I I make a wish.
What's next?
I am the wedding king.
The wish. Well, I put coins on you.
I need 4 coins.
But sorry, this. See, I wish I'm gonna be. I wish I'm gonna get a nice car named BMW sports car and a motorbike. I wish I'm gonna be in Hot Wheels Carters.
Next up, Little Souls. We went there to pray and thank God for bringing us together. Nakakapunta naman kami dito before pero this time magkakasama kami kaya special. Ayan ang Little Souls. Retouch muna ng ipit, konting ayos, then picture-picture ulit. Last stop, Twin Lakes. May mga topiary, ayan nga pala, topiary means art of trimming plants into shapes. We roamed around, took lots of photos.
Wow, so sweet.
Yay!
Yung elephant.
Sky, Sky, look. Picture din sa swing. Here, no swing.
Swing!
Sit down.
It's
wedding day.
Ha?
Ayan,
No,
okay.
it's wedding day for us, like Dad and Mommy.
bumili kami ng tinapay sa Pando Manila. Tapos ayan si Kelly, hawak pa ang potato corner habang nagpipicture. By the way, ginamit ko na pala yung bag na Teacher's Day gift ni Rihanna. Ang ganda. Thank you, Rihanna. To those who are watching and praying na makapunta rin kayo sa mga lugar na ito, sa Mushroom Burger, Little Souls, and Twin Lakes with your loved ones. Promise it's worth it. Thank you for watching.